What's good? What's poppin'? I'm back at it again with another video. So today, as you can see, my hair is in twists or whatever. But today I'm gonna be doing, it's not gonna be a tutorial, it's gonna be like a just watch me see if I can do my hair, basically. So as you can tell by the title, I'm gonna be doing a little slick ponytail on my hair. I have 4C hair, and this is the hair I'm gonna be using. It's like that, kind of looks like it's like kind of like wavy or whatever. So like I have this track, and then I have another like longer piece of the track right here, and basically this is just like leftover hair that I have from when I did a ponytail. Well, not when I did, but when I had a ponytail previously. I'm gonna insert the picture, but yeah, it's the Shake and Go organic, that's all it says, and it's the color 1B. But it was like the pack where if you get like it wasn't like 3 bundles and a closure, it was just like 3 bundles, and then that was it. So I got the 18, 20, 22. So I believe that what I have left is the 18, which is fine. So yeah, let's just get into this video. To prepare my hair for this hairstyle, I used a sample that I got from Essence Fest, the Maui Moisture Heal and Hydrate with Shea Butter Shampoo for dry and damaged hair. Along with that, it contains coconut oil and macadamia oil. I did a hot oil treatment with Sunny Isles Extra Dark Jamaican Black Castor Oil mixed with vitamin E oil. I left that on for an hour, and then I co-washed it out with the Maui Moisture Heal and Hydrate conditioner. Let's get to this video. So to begin with, I'm going to be using the Blueberry Bliss Curl Control Jelly. I'm sorry if it like the audio is a little distorted. My fan is on because it did get hot in here. So yeah, I'm just going to put this just like a little bit on my hair. So I'm just going to lather it up. Just put it on my hair. Okay, ooh, I ain't never used it before, but it smells so good. Anyway, so basically, I'm doing the Got2b glue method to slick my hair down. But yes, I'm using both the gel and I'm using the spray as well. But what I'm gonna do it like a little bit different. So I'm not gonna wait to apply it to my hair. What I'm actually gonna do is, so I have this kind of trailer thing. So I'm gonna put it on this tray. And then take the spray. It's my little mixing brush. Boom. There you go. So I have my paste, and then I'm gonna put the Deep Moisture Milk Soufflé on my hair as well, because like I said, my hair is dry, and this is for dull, dry, thirsty hair. My hair is hella thirsty. So I'm not going to take too much because I don't want too much product on my hair. So I'm just going to take like this much. This is a small section. I'm just going to put it on my hair. Then I'm going to get the paste. Ooh, here we go. Is it laying down? No. Oh, too much. Dang. Okay. Take a little bit more. One section done. So you're gonna go in with the Blueberry Bliss Curl Control Jelly. Put that all throughout your section here, and then you're gonna go in with the milk souffle and make sure that's all in your hair as well. Then you're going to take the Got2b glue paste, put it on that section, make sure it's laying down, add more if you need it. And then what I do next is I'm going to use my denim brush and just comb through that section just to make sure that all of the little bumps and tangles and stuff in my hair is combed out. I'm going to go in with the brush just to smooth it down a little bit, make sure it's all together. And then I'm just going to take my hair tie and wrap it up so I can move on to the next section. So right here, I'm just trying to figure out my parting situation. I kind of wanted like a little swooped type of part, so that's what I'm trying to figure out now. But you know, do whatever you like. You know, do that little deep part, deep side part, middle part. Do whatever makes you happy. But this is me trying to struggle to do the swoop part. Then after that, you just see me splitting the front into different sections because, you know, that's a lot of hair. So I just need to section it off so I can slick it down section by section, basically, so it can be as flat as I can get it to be. When it comes to the front part, I do something a little different. So you see me taking my rat tail comb and actually combing down the front part, and that's just like I said with the denim brush to make sure that all the kinks are out. But because, you know, it's the front part, I need to really make sure that that part is flat.
Yeah, we're just young, dumb, and broke.
I see you in the city. Are you with me, baby?
Just baby, close, just sitting close enough.
Not today, honey. Like I can see it in the mirror. Stick down. There we go. Okay. So now I'm gonna wrap my hair up, and then we're gonna get to adding the faux ponytail. As you can see, my puff in the back is a little abundant. So instead of doing one big old dookie braid that was gonna be hard to braid down, I decided to just split the puff into 2 different sections and then just make 2 braids. So then, once I have my 2 braids, I'm just going to take a little rubber band and just wrap it around the base of my puff, basically. And I just do this because I didn't want like a layered look with my ponytail. I just wanted all it to be the same length. So that's what I'm doing. That's why I do this. Boom. So basically, it's time to add the weave, the tracks, the extensions. So I'm gonna double it so it can, you know, not take as much time. So I'm actually gonna use the hooked part of the weft as the beginning, and basically I'm gonna take my hairpins and I'm going to just put it like this through the loop, so like it, you know, hangs, can't come off. And then here we go. Don't know if you can see there. So right now I'm just putting the hairpin at the base of my 2 braids, and then I'm just gonna wrap the tracks around, and it's just as simple as that. But to basically have extra security, in the next clip you're just gonna see me putting another hairpin, like when I wrap it around, maybe like the 2nd or 3rd time, just so I can have that extra security. And then I'm just gonna keep wrapping the tracks around until I'm at the end of the track, and then I'm just gonna put another hairpin right there. So my ponytail is almost finished. All I need to do is just cover the tracks. So basically, just gonna take this piece from the bottom of the ponytail and I'm just gonna wrap it around. Just hide the tracks at the top. And then I'm gonna take some bobby pins and just secure it. I don't think you can see my ball. I feel like you can. Ooh, but it feels secure. Okay, that's what it does feel like. Okay, so it's time for the final reveal. Let's see. I'm nervous. Okay. Sticking to my hand. Okay. It's not too bad. Could be better, but you know what? For me, it's not bad. I'm messing with it. You know what? I'm messing with it, and I'm glad that I did the 2 bundles because you know it's I look so cute. It's full and stuff. Okay, you know what? I'm messing with it. I was thinking about doing some edges. What? Like slicking down my edges, but I didn't, you know, doing little curly cues and stuff like that. Ow. But nah, I don't want all that extraness. But yeah, that's how the back looks. Oh, hopefully. I'm digging it. Okay, I kind of did that. You know, this is a learning process. I'm not no expert, but this is my first time doing it with a. This is not my first time sticking my hair down. It's actually this is my second time, but this is my first time doing it with extensions, and I didn't do too bad of a job, if I do say so myself. But yeah, that's the end of this video. Let me know what you think. If you want me to experiment with more hairstyles, I'll be happy to do it. Girl, I'm recording a video. You hang up.